Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Natural remedy for cleaning your eyes and improving vision in only 3 months. Here is what you need to do to avoid surgery. Maintaining the vision is one of the most crucial things. Experiencing some vision issues is a challenging and devastating condition. One of the common vision problems is the cataract. This condition occurs when there is a clouding of the lens in the eye. This leads to a decrease in vision. Cataracts usually develop slowly and show some common symptoms, including faded colors, blurry vision, halos around light, and trouble with bright lights. Besides the fact that this condition is often associated with aging, it can also affect younger people. Some of the most common causes of cataract are depression, diabetes, smoking, heredity, and eye inflammation. When experiencing some vision issues, one of the most important things you can do is improve your diet. Consuming plenty of vegetables, fruits, and food rich in vitamin A is essential. For instance, you should increase the intake of blueberries, cabbage, and cherries. Moreover, there are other popular and effective methods and natural remedies. Hence, a powerful natural remedy, which we will present today, are eye bright drops. Instead of using commercial eye drops, you should prepare a homemade natural remedy. The best natural ingredients for better vision are raspberry and roses. Raspberries are rich in vitamin A. Hence, they will improve your vision and strengthen the veins and the blood vessels. Eye bright drops. This natural remedy will improve your vision, sharpen the eyes, hinder the development of cataract, and prevent your eyes from any issues. Ingredients: 1 cup of rose petals, 4 teaspoons of raspberry leaves, 4 cups of boiling water. Instructions: first, boil the water and add the rose petals and the raspberry leaves. Simmer the mixture for several minutes and leave it to cool. Then, strain the mixture and use it to wash your eyes carefully on a daily basis. After 3 months, your eyesight will be significantly improved.